everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm excited to share a shop with me at Tkmaxx Australia. I hope you enjoy. So guys, I haven't been to Tkmaxx in forever, but I recently was able to visit not one, but two Tkmaxxes, and I wanted to take you along with me, especially looking at their beautiful Valentine's Day decor for 2025. There was absolutely so much beautiful decor, guys, to look at, but my heart skipped a beat when I came across this beautiful mirror. I was absolutely in love with it. I did walk away from it, guys, but oh my goodness, I loved it so much. I knew it would look perfect in Chelle's Glam Home, but my budget that day just couldn't afford it. I love the variety of things that Tkmaxx has to offer, guys. There's just so much to look at. It really is like thrifting in a way. You just don't know what you're going to find.
May you always find your way to higher ground. May you always keep your head held up high. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Just the sight of you when I'm at my weakest point makes a world of difference, oh you make me strong. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Ordering a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong.
Now, you know your girl Chelle absolutely loves anything baby blue, guys, and I was so in love with these beautiful plates and bowls.
Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Ordering a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong.
I always love looking at Tkmaxx in their reduced section, everything with a red sticker. I was really in love with all these coffee table books, guys. They were such a good find. there's a couple of things that I definitely always am drawn to. They are mugs at Tkmaxx and tea towels. Now, this particular day, guys, I definitely walked away from both, but there was definitely some adorable ones there.
You say that you don't need me. You say let's take things slowly. I hope you realize you're playing with fire. I know what heartbreak feels like. I know I've shed some teardrops. I've been here before. You have done it now. Left me on the ground. This is it. I won't come back. If we don't stop, if we don't go, I'll be left alone every night when you go. Sitting by myself, going crazy like all the time. If we don't stop.
Now guys, most of you know that I recently lost my little Shih Tzu Bella, and I just couldn't help myself, guys. I was looking at all the little pretty items that I would have bought her. It did make me very sad, but I also wanted to share these with you in case you wanted to get something new for your fur baby.
Saying words ain't easy. I know you can't talk to me, but I hope you realize you're playing with fire. You were my one and only until you left me lonely. I guess you stopped to care. You have done it now. Left me on the ground. This is it. I won't come back. If we don't stop, if we don't go, I'll be left alone every night when you go. Sitting by myself, going crazy like all the time.
I always love to look at their sweet little birdhouses at Tkmaxx, guys. I'm a big birdhouse fan. I have been all my life, and I just love looking at them. There are so many cute and adorable designs. I'm always drawn to anything with a checkered print, guys, and the candles at Tkmaxx. They are so beautiful. They have so many of them, and they smell absolutely divine. Now, I wanted to leave this next clip in for you guys and show you the great lengths I go through to share you these videos. I was looking at these beautiful love heart plates, guys, and everything at the front just toppled over and fell over. So I decided to leave that in there and show you. Thankfully, I did not break a single thing, but it was quite embarrassing because everyone in the store looked at me.
For me, isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy, we'll be here dancing day.
Another thing that I've been recently drawn to, guys, is the colour green. I was really impressed with this 2-pack of throw blankets that Tkmaxx had. There's so much beautiful green decor out there at the moment, and I'm really discovering that I actually like the colour when it comes to decorating my home.
Bedroom door locked, I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. For the second chance, I'll say I'm nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second
I'm always drawn to their vintage art, guys, and how stunning are these two pieces.
You could be the one I trust. All the second chances say I'm nothing for right. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love. The things I love. The things I love. Love, 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 love. The things I love. The things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love.
Now, both of these stores, guys, didn't have a lot of Valentine's Day decor. It was all pretty similar. There was quite a few cushions, quite a few throw blankets, but pretty much that was about it. I really loved these checkered baskets as well. I have too many baskets, guys, but I didn't pick these up, but I thought they were gorgeous.
Be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with our bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances say I'm nothing for right. I like it all.
I've been trying really hard to find two of these blue and white vases. It's been really hard to get two identical ones, but I absolutely love that style.
The things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love. The things I love. The things I love. Love, 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 love. The things I love. The things I love. Be one of the things I love. What's the angle? I'm not playing that game. It's the same business with a different name. Who's the target? Sorry, I'm not in the market. If I quit buying, you can't sell me anything. No thanks, I'll pass. I don't want any of that. I'll just take my chances. No thanks, not now. I made it this far somehow. I'll just take my chances. Collective pressure. It's about time for another lecture.
So I'm now going to share with you a small haul that I picked up from Tkmaxx over this weekend. And I first of all picked up anything with checkered print, guys. You know me. I had to pick up this gorgeous fur checkered cushion. It is so soft. I also picked up the black and white check toilet brush holder. It was only $19.99 and I thought it was so adorable. As well as this cute little ginger jar. It's hard to find ginger jars here in Australia, guys, that are small. So when I seen this one, I knew it would go perfect. And I knew that it had the beautiful gold accents, which would go stunning in my home. I also picked up this cute little clock that I wanted for my mantle and the boxwood wreath in the medium size. That's pretty much all I picked up that day, guys, but I was really excited to visit Tkmaxx. I hope you've enjoyed shopping with me, and I'll see you all next Wednesday for more videos here at Chelle's Glam Home.